Hello and welcome back to the Health Shark Health and Wellness channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many people are interested in. Foods that help you lose weight naturally. Losing weight can be a challenging process, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Food plays a crucial role in weight loss. In order to lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than what your body burns. This creates a calorie deficit, which forces your body to use stored fat for energy. Choosing the right foods can help you create a calorie deficit without feeling hungry or deprived. There are many foods that can help you lose weight naturally, and I'm going to share some of the best with you today. We shall also look at their uses in your body and when to eat them. This video is informative, hence I highly suggest you watch till the end. I have also left you another informative video about effective strategies for losing weight at the end of this video. You can also click the link in the description below if you haven't watched it so you can go and watch it. You don't want to miss it. Anyway, let's get started with the foods that help you lose weight naturally. Shall we? Number 1, avocado. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. They can help you feel full for longer, which can prevent overeating, which in the long run will make you gain more weight. Additionally, they are low in carbohydrates, making them a great option for those on a low-carb diet. Number 2, chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. They are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for an extra boost of nutrition and enjoyment. Long-term carbohydrate restriction has been scientifically linked to complications like heart arrhythmias, impaired cardiac contractile function, sudden death, osteoporosis, kidney damage, increased risk of cancer, impaired physical exercise, and lipid abnormalities. With that said, chia seeds are very beneficial to your body besides helping you lose weight. Number 3, berries. Berries are a great source of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. They are low in calories and can help satisfy your sweet tooth without causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Berries also help your arteries work better, which improves heart health in addition to lowering cholesterol. Endothelial cells are the type of cells that surround your blood vessels. They carry out numerous crucial tasks, including preventing blood clots and assisting with blood pressure regulation. Some great options include blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Number 4, nuts. Nuts are high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They can help you feel full and satisfied, making them a great snack option. However, it's important to eat nuts in moderation, as they are also high in calories. Even though nuts have a lot of fat, most of it is unsaturated fat, which is good for your body. They are rich in protein, B vitamins, vitamin E, and minerals like iron, potassium, selenium, magnesium, zinc, and copper. Some great options you can find include nuts, almonds, cashews, and walnuts. Number 5, leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and arugula are low in calories and high in nutrients. They are also a great source of fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Adding leafy greens to your meals can help increase the volume of your meals without adding a lot of calories. Greens would help boost good health and prevent anemia if they were regularly incorporated into your daily diet. Additionally, green leafy vegetables are a great supply of calcium, beta-carotene, and vitamin C. Number 6, whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can help you feel full and satisfied, making them a great option for weight loss. Nuts also help you lower the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. Additionally, they are low in calories and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 7, lean protein. Lean protein such as chicken, fish, and tofu can help you feel full and satisfied. They are also a great source of nutrients and can help prevent muscle loss during weight loss. It's important to choose lean protein options and to avoid high-fat cuts of meat. Lean proteins will also help you lower blood cholesterol, support brain functioning and promote a higher metabolic rate in your body. Number 8. Spices. Spices such as cayenne pepper, turmeric, and cinnamon can help boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. Additionally, they can add flavor to your meals without adding calories. Adding spices to your meals can help you feel satisfied without overeating. Spices and aromatic plants have been used for both cooking and medicinal reasons for generations. Spices can prevent both acute and chronic illnesses in addition to enhancing the taste, smell, and color of food and drinks. Number 9. Water. Water is essential for weight loss. It can help you reduce appetite, boost metabolism, and increase energy levels. Additionally, it can help flush out toxins and waste products from your body. Water consumption will lower your appetite for food and aid in calorie burning. Water can be used to replace sugary beverages to reduce calorie and sugar consumption. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Number 10. Beans. Beans are a fantastic source of protein mainly because they are affordable, substantial, and flexible. Beans have a lot of substance and take a while to go through digestion. As a result, you may feel satisfied for longer, which may prevent you from eating more. Number 11. Apples. Apples are linked to weight reduction, according to a review of the literature that included information from 5 human trials. Apples are an excellent source of fiber and have few calories, so they help you feel satisfied. According to study findings, you shouldn't eat an apple on an empty stomach as it can lead to bloating and constipation. In short, the ideal time for you to consume an apple is in the morning, typically right after breakfast. Number 12. Yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product that is full of probiotics, calcium, vitamin D, and other important nutrients. Yogurt has been shown in studies to aid in weight reduction in a number of ways, including protein content, which is an excellent source of protein, which can help you feel full for longer periods of time and eat less. Over time, this may result in a decrease in caloric consumption, which will aid in weight loss. Then we have probiotics, which are good bacteria that can help your body enhance gut health. They are also present in a variety of yogurt varieties. According to some studies, the gut microbiome may be involved in controlling weight, and taking probiotics may help to encourage a healthy weight. Last but not least, calcium, which is also an excellent source of this mineral, which is essential for strong bones. According to some studies, calcium may aid in weight reduction by accelerating fat metabolism. There are many other benefits you can get when you eat yogurt or include it in your daily diet. Lastly, always shop smart. Put a lot of lean protein, fresh produce, fruit, and whole grains in your shopping cart. Always remember, you are what you eat, as the saying goes. Well, there you have it. There are many foods that can help you lose weight naturally. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can improve your health and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember to eat a variety of foods and to choose whole, nutrient-dense options whenever you get a chance. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share your experiences down below in the comment section. Let us know about your weight loss journey. Don't forget to check out our video about effective strategies for weight loss. You wouldn't want to miss it. With that said, we'll see you in the next video.